Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying the dock so everything feeds power and signal cleanly. First, set the dock on a flat, ventilated surface and leave about 10 cm clearance for airflow. This prevents heat throttling. Then plug the official 39W AC adapter into the dock's AC jack so the switch gets stable power. Finally, connect the HDMI cable from the dock to a known TV HDMI input. And remember that input number. You will switch to it in a moment. Once done, power on the TV and choose the HDMI input you attach the dock to. You should see a black screen until the console is docked. Now, with the Joy-Con detached or attached, slide the switch into the dock evenly until the USB-C connector seats. Do not force it. When the console detects the dock, the screen goes dark and the TV displays output. Make sure controllers are paired via Bluetooth or connect a USB controller for instant play. To finish, confirm video resolution in system settings. Choose 720p, 1080p, or auto for compatibility and performance. If the TV shows no signal, first reset HDMI and power cables and try a different HDMI port or cable. This fixes most connection issues. If problems persist, power off the switch, unplug the dock's AC and HDMI for 10 seconds to reset it, then plug back in and power on. This reset step resolves handshake failures about 80% of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.